In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use a fruit power here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to make your way to the island that has the fruit dealer. This is going to be Sailor Island. As of right now, it's the only one with it on there. But go ahead and make your way over there, and you're going to see inside of the main section, if you kind of take a left before the main building, there you're going to have the coin fruit dealer right here and the gem fruit dealer right here. Go ahead and buy a fruit from one of these guys. It's going to pop up in your inventory just like so. For example, I got bomb fruit selected, and then just click again. And it's going to say eat the bomb fruit or whatever fruit you have to get the powers. Now, in my case, I actually already have a light fruit, which is like the best in the game, in my opinion. So I'm not going to do this. But essentially, that's really all you need to do. As soon as you go ahead and eat it, it's going to pop up like this, where you're going to see all the abilities over here. For example, the light fruit's really good, and I like it because I can just fly around just like so. But that's going to be the full process. Different fruits give you different abilities, so you could switch and try multiple ones and find whatever one you like best. But if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.